yet. Come on, tell me I'm online. Live. Live, there we go. Sorted. Yep, show me an advert as well for my own damn stream. Okay. Links. You link this everywhere. Boom. Link. Two links. Twitters. Subpar prototyping. Link that in as well. I can tweet. Hashtags. Indie dev and hashtag Wix creative. I really hope my mic's picking stuff up. I hope it is. Yep, it's fine. Send it. Boom. One done. Discord. Please Discord open up on the second monitor. Oh, I've got a viewer. Is that viewer me? Yes, that viewer is me. Do I not have Nightbot? Oh no. Nightbot. What? Join the channel. Get in here, you little. God damn it! How am I meant to mod my own stream if I've got no bot? Join. Excellent. Okay, so we got the bot in. Hopefully. Apparently there's issues with connecting, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. Now just post it over in Discord. Game day 2. Anyone else? That one. Nope. There you go. Boom. And we are sorted. Close Facebook down, don't need you. Don't need you. Yeah, I think we can pretty much say we're done. Now, has Nightbot arrived yet? Nightbot, what are you doing? Let me just check. Let's check the commands. Project. Boom! Nightbot's here. Excellent. Well, welcome to the stream, peoples. My name is Creative Fletcher, and we are currently working on a detective game. Now, I realised yesterday when I streamed the sort of brainstorming, which is all of this document hula, that I A, talked a bit too fast, and B, rambled on, and C, never completed probably any of my points. I kept on switching. I was putting out one thing and then someone would say something in chat. I'd switch over. But we're going to try a bit more calm today, a bit more chill. Just want it to go off in random tangents and actually get some progress done. So yeah, that is the plan. So if you weren't here yesterday, I've basically moved on to a personal project. I was meant to write a quick dev vlog website under here. Boom. So if you miss a stream, like, you can always go over there, but I didn't. I mean, that was to be expected, but it didn't get done. It will get done tonight. And basically, I was meant to write it all up. So I'm doing it again. I'm jumping points. So yeah, okay. Yesterday, started on a personal project. A detective game based on an old Flash game I used to play called Sleuth. Nope, not what I wanted. Play Sleuth. There we go. Never heard of this. It is a point and click mystery. But like 2008, the previous one came out in 2004, and I don't know if I played Sleuth Noir. I definitely played Shades of Mystery. They're doing like small updates here and there. They've not really touched it for a few years, but I found it a few months ago. I was like, you know what? I want to make a better game. And then over the weekend, I realised, you know what? Let's just do it. Because I'm crazy and I'm an idiot. It's basically the gist of all this. Been learning Unity since July 13th, and now I'm like, having not completed any projects really, I've done a few of the Unity tutorials. I decided to go, you know what, let's start a big massive project in 3D, detective game in detail. It's gonna be fine, it's gonna be good. So today, we're going to do the first area. There are three key areas to this game. The first part is the crime scene, the evidence, collecting the evidence, analysing it. The second area is interviews and interrogations. So just talking to the people and the suspects. And the third area is the office, which is just sort of central hub, where you have like your timeline that you plot, any uncompleted cases you can put to the side. It's basically like your little home to store everything. But we're going to be going for the first area, the evidence. And I have this with the steps we're going to go through. We're not going to get them all completed today. No way. If you've been on any of my other streams, you will know that probably the first one will take us about 10 hours. And they'll probably all break because I ticked a button or unticked a button that I shouldn't have touched. The first step, I drag it, boom. We add the first person camera. And then we're gonna add crouching with the first person camera. Whip. What are you whipping about, Nicazadus? And welcome to the stream, by the way. And welcome everyone else who has joined. I can see the viewers have gone up a bit. That might just be me, Nicazadus, and Nightbot. Probably is. But if there's anyone else, don't fail, Mr. Fletcher. I will try not to. I will try. But yeah, the plan for this stream is to add a first person camera. Add crouching with that camera, so when you crouch down, the camera will go down. Add placing tents, which are the sort of... No, they have the numbers on them that you place next to the evidence. Add photographing evidence. So what will happen is when you take a photo of the evidence, it will detect if the evidence is in the screen and attach that evidence to the camera. Well, basically say that you've got the evidence. And then the whole picking up evidence. There are 5 main parts. We're not going to go through anything such as saving this or actual physical evidence and the different datas or information associated with the evidence. We're just going to use a random object tagged as evidence. We're just going to go with very simple. We're going to slowly build this up until we've got the first sort of area, the first key part of the game prototyped. And then we'll move on to the second. And then on to the third, and then once that's all done, we can start looking into making it into a fully fledged game with several mysteries to solve, murders, you name it. For now, we're going to open up Unity, and you're all going to get to see my massive failures. It will be fun. I should have probably opened up Unity before I started streaming, because we're going to be here for a bit. But how is everyone doing on this fine meh day? We're going to go with... I mean, it was sunny most of the day, but then it started raining. But your background is some Ayla cosplayer. Yes, it is. What? I don't change my backgrounds. It gets changed until I accidentally delete those pictures, and then inevitably the desktop says, "Well, the pictures," and shows a black screen, and I'm like, "Okay, let's find some new ones." That's how it works. It's like my profile picture. I never changed my profile picture. Oh yeah, it's a slideshow of 2. It's 2 of them. Okay, let's call you Detective Game. This has no name yet. I'm not going to give it a name yet. It's going to be Detective Game until some time in the future I go, did I enjoy the Emoji Movie? I haven't watched it yet. Okay, so the only reason I want to see that movie is purely because of Patrick Stewart. You guys, you're terrible. Both Cazadus and Razor, you're terrible. And not like your mixtape, Razor. They're also making a meme movie. This is why we can't have nice things. This is why we can't have nice things. If they get Patrick Stewart in the meme movie to play some like unknown meme, I'll watch it. It's the only reason I'm watching the Emoji Movie, because Patrick Stewart voices the poop. So yeah, this is Unity. Great start, guys. We're on Unity. Task done. Boom. Stream ended. Slate for 2020 has got. I'll watch it then. I'll watch it. So we need to add picking up. No, that's not the first one. Add first person camera. That's what I'm doing. So we want to add create a folder called scripts. Create a script called first person controller. We also need to save the scene actually. Save scene. A folder underscore scenes. And let's call it main. Well, let's call it prototype. Prototype. Done. And now, I've been pulling up some information about this stuff. Don't want to attach the camera. Transform we're going to use. We don't need saving and loading yet, but we'll save that. First and third person. We don't need you. Okay, let's look through this. See, what I want to try and do is I want to try and actually be smart before I start looking at scripts. So we're gonna try and put it together ourselves. Try to do some actual developing. So just copying and pasting scripts like I did last week. Let's open the first person controller. Let's start with that. That's probably a good place to start. And then let's look through all of these bits. So, in comes to the effect. No, we don't want you. First thing we want to do is want the camera to move. Let's not think about the actual looking. We just want the camera to be the player's face and move around. So the best place to start the detective game is a first-person perspective. It is. Because how am I going to do all the other elements without the first-person perspective? I need to get him looking and moving around first. He's not going to have any arms or anything. It's literally just going to be a camera. Moves around. Then we can move on to the other elements. Also, well, there's a few people here. If you weren't here yesterday, the project I'm working on is a detective game inspired by Sleuth Shades of Mystery. It's an old Flash game. 3 main elements: collecting and analysing evidence, interviewing and interrogating suspects, and an office which is like a central hub. I'm still doing a little bit of research around actual detectives. And also, if you have any idea, like if you know of any cases, specifically British, because we're going to base it in UK, I've decided it's going in UK, that may be of interest, like they may either look at, they may have like a signature on basically signatures of the killer, or how they solved the case in a different way, an interesting way. Then feel free to send me the name of the case or a link to the Wikipedia article via Whisper. The reason I'm doing it that instead of posting it here is A, Nightbot will just delete the link because unless you've obviously asked to post a link, and B, out of respect for the other viewers. Don't know who the other viewers are, or what they've been through. It's just out of respect, basically. Safety. Better be safe than sorry. Just saw a case where a guy died after sleeping with a snake. Okay. Did not need to know that. This... Why? Okay. Okay. Don't ask for cases, they're usually meh. Ask people who have good documentaries of normal police work in it. That too. If you have any like anything any documentaries, anything that would basically help with the research around this project, either whisper it to me or ask if you can post a link. Apart from the cases definitely whispers. But if you want to post a link to something like a documentary or YouTube series, anything like that, just say, hey, got something interesting, it's this, and I'll be like, cool, post a link, and I'll give you permission, and it's all doodah, hunky doodah, whatever the phrase is. But yes, this is coding. We're gonna do it. Let's have a look at this. So, scripting to allow the camera to move the event of using the mouse and keyboard. Directly to camera, we can use this keyboard. We can use this keyword or omit this keyword. Try to transform. Okay. Turn speed. That's a good point. Would that be a float or an int though? It'll be a float. Public float. Turn speed. Thank you OBS stats for popping up randomly and telling me that I'm live. I assume that by the fact that people are commenting, posting messages. Oh yeah, it's because I hit stat instead of void method. Okay. An update. We'll want both of those. That's a smart idea. Smart idea. Okay. Excellent. I know those bits. Those bits I've done before. Makes sense, I think. Don't know why you've got... I've got that there. Oh well. Half of this is new to me. This is why it's a crazy idea for me to jump into this project, but hey, hello. Let's go. Oh, no, don't. What's happening? Icon dev. So yeah, we don't need start. And that, so we want to add a float. Too many tabs. No, you over there. There we go. Can I like hide these without closing them? Nope. Actually, can I just in? Or you should just go over there. Yeah, just go over there. There you go. That's fine. What I mean by easily distracted. Yeah, we want void mouse aiming. Boom. Void. No, do not on application. What are you doing? Got those. They're fine. Not way too late today. Yay! Hey Snowy, welcome to the stream. How are you doing? Today we are doing the prototyping for the first area, which is the picking up and analysing evidence. We're currently working on like the first-person controller at the moment, which basically involves looking at a script and learning what it means. See, what I did when I streamed last time, when I was working on the Game Jam project, I did copy over a few scripts, either from the internet or from viewers suggested, and not fully understand what they were doing. We're going to change that. I'm actually trying to fully understand the script before I actually copy and paste it over. And so I'm going to type it in as I do it so I can learn it. And it's likely that this might change, like this may not do exactly what we want it to do. because eventually we want to be able to add them to crouch. So when you crouch, the camera lowers down. I am doing decently today. I've been feeling lonely though, lol. What about yourself? Why have you been feeling lonely? There's Twix. That's what it's for. That's how I use it. And I have no friends. I just go on Twix and talk to people. Twix is great. How about yourself? Yeah, I am doing great. Had pizza today. Pizza was good. I went around with a couple of friends and we watched The Room, which is the worst movie, and I can fully understand why. And if you have not watched it, do the same as we did. Get some pizza, get some friends, and laugh your way through the entire movie, because it is that bad. The Room is a masterpiece. Wow, Hazer, thank you for the whole Friends. Yes, The Room is a masterpiece, and they're doing a whole movie about The Room now called Disaster Artist, I believe it's called. Which, where they're basically taking the mick. I think it's called The Disaster Artist. Disaster Artist. Yep. I did not. Oh, hi, Mark. I do admit I'm glad they've got it's James Franco, isn't it? Yeah. I'm glad they got James Franco doing that. I think it'll suit it. Oh boy, it's clobbering time. Stop spamming caps. Kazvis. There was a limit to the caps. I know I'm a game dev. But I do like movies. And I do get easily distracted, and we both know this. And anyone who watched me probably knows as well, because it's so dense, every single image is so many things going on. Star Wars, George Lucas reference, yeah. So yeah, let's get back to this. Let's get some keyboard movement though. So we obviously want to get the input. Look at access. What does get access do? I didn't know it at one point. I'll put it in a moment. I don't know whether it gets the input. I believe it gets the input. Used it. This case of whether it gets the input or just gets a movement. Where have you got? Get access. Not used to know you are it. Disaster Artist. Release date 2017. Don't think it's out yet. December 8th it comes out. You still got a few months before you can yell it. Yeah, okay. So it gets movement. It gets the input as well. Okay. Excellent. Yeah. Horizontal movement. Bit too long. I don't want to put. Yeah, screw it. I'll go with it. Is it input equals input or get access? Yep. Nope, I've got that. Input.getAxis. Vertical. We got that. We got the input. This. What else are we doing? Okay, so with sensitivity, movement amount, and movement vector. So obviously that's how we're gonna move it. The X, Y, and Z. Okay. And the sensitivity is how fast. Why do we want the sensitivity there? Oh no, that's that. Yeah, that's the sort of camera sensitivity. Yeah, that's fine. Might as well just copy this over. They're fine. What's the problem? Why are you producing issues? Only amount assigned, which value is never used. It's fine. Calm it. Oh, is it because... What's not happening here? I guess because we're not using it. It's probably because we're not using it. The translate allows you to move while taking the current rotation into consideration. Okay. So yeah, so this, copy over this, is basically, so we want to change that to horizontal. It's not an error, it's just a warning, you're fine. Alright, so I was going to say, oh, no, it's sorting it out now, yeah. I'm going to say what's wrong with it. Nothing wrong with it. It's copy and pasted. It should always work if it's copied and pasted. That's what I've been told. There you go. So, basically what this does is, sensitivity is obviously how far you're moving left, right. Basically the speed. I believe. What's the sensitivity? How much you're pressing the key. Horizontal movement is less than minus sensitivity. Let's see if you talk about it. Okay, we want a public float turn speed, we want a pipe and forward method called mouse aiming. Do not use code provided in a game of their own. Oh, in this game. Code is for demonstrate. Oh, do not use this in the game? This is buggy and unfinished? I hope not. It's likely we're going to change this at one point then, if this is buggy and unfinished. I don't know if that's talking about the game that they pull in, or it's actually talking about this script, but we'll use it. Okay. Then we'll just call keyboard movement. Leave. Yes. So. Link perms, please. What is it? First Razor. You gotta tell me what it is. Now you get the perms. That's how it works. So yeah, so what this does is this takes the horizontal and vertical input. I didn't allow that one for you, Razor is saying. Movement controls, okay. There you go, yeah, it was like a second to paste movement controls links. Yes, oh. Multiplayer networking. Single player movement, okay. First we gain like personality and example, we add to the player game object in the scene. Oh yeah, I know player movement, yeah. I could do that. It's a case of... I'm assuming there's a... Yeah, that's actually a good thing, because I don't know whether... I can't think whether there's any reason to use this over that script. I'm not seeing a reason for it. We'll save this for the moment. Add it to player, then we'll do where's that gone? Oh yeah. I believe we're using transform anyway. It's just adding those to that. I don't know what I'm trying to figure out the difference at the moment. The vector is the same as the vector. Yeah, that's what I mean. That's what I mean. I mean, that might have to do with the fact that it's being a. I believe the game that they're playing is a moon game. We'll save that for the moment. We will drag it into the main camera. There. You're gonna fall through the world most likely, but we'll. What actually? What are you doing? Don't even put an object. How are you meant to try? How are you meant to see the difference? Let's add an object first. Create cube. There. Actually get close to it. Yep. Oh. Okay, so it works. That actually might be a bit too fast. We will try. Ooh, dinner. I thought you'd buy yourself in Canada's. But you can feed yourself. Or are you going to get dinner or someone drop dinner off? Or do you just order another pizza? You had pizza for lunch already. And if you're having pizza for dinner as well, good on you. I actually don't see why there's any point in. We don't need to transform rotate. Yeah, we probably just go with a default. Would be. No, do we even need that? Okay, see. We do. Yep. That's why, because it's. Yeah, I know what's going on there. Move vector is that. Vector times. Then. Vector float. This is going completely off my head, by the way. I'm just bouncing things. Up there, that's what that was wrong. I thought that was going to be wrong. Okay, so we got the vector, we got the movement input. Then what we want to do. Oh, I know what it is. We didn't transform, not wicked body. Why? Chicken and potatoes. Nice. Yeah, access. Let's just copy. Oh, I know why. That's. No, that's fine. That's fine. What are you doing, Cal? Yeah, it's fine. Don't know why I was questioning now. So I was thinking of why, but it's Z. X, which is horizontal. Then Y or Z, that's the name one. Y's up, Z is across. Yeah. Oh god. No, not what I wanted. Not what I wanted to do. It's 1-1. Let's hold on to it, it's vertical. I got one way. There we go. Yeah, it looks. I don't. Yeah, I don't see why we even needed that code. Yeah. Too detailed for what we need. I can get rid of all this. May need it when we come to the rotation, but I doubt it. Obviously we'll have to work on speed at one point as well. That's fine. Add you in there. Your keyboard movement working. Excellent. We'll work on the details of it in a second. Yeah, good shout, Azer. I think it was a bit too much. I've done this before. Like I've done movement before in games. So I don't know why we need that much code. Oh well. Opening up that one. Now onto the camera. So rotation to new vector. Okay. It gets the. So mouse X is bigger or smaller, it determines where you rotate. Hey Dr. Arcus, welcome to the stream. How are you doing? What's happening? Oh, I am currently working on a detective game. Yeah, oh no, nearly misspelled it. It is based on this old Flash game called Sleuth: Shades of Mystery. We're currently working on prototyping the first element, which is collecting and analysing evidence. Going for the day job and come by to hang out. That's awesome. Yeah, well, we're just currently adding the first person camera and then adding crouching. And then we'll be working on the actual evidence parts afterwards. So you work from home, or do you just have this sneakily up on your work monitor? But yeah, we're currently adding in the rotation of the camera. I am using some like scripts I'm finding online like this. But what I did last week is I kept on like I'd get jump script. Put it in, and I didn't fully understand what it was doing. Whereas this time I'm trying to understand what I'm doing before putting any scripts in, because obviously I'm gonna have to change it eventually to suit certain parts. Just currently trying to find out this what thing, Asian. Oh, they're calling it a vet. This is why I call it subpar prototyping, because the what isn't actually a thing I can find here. It's just it's a variable, Callum. I knew that. I knew it. Yup. We're smart. I'm in office, and yeah, I just got you in a Chrome tab. Good old Chrome. Love Chrome. I think the only time I've used Mozilla or any other like things recently, well, they come in what site I was trying to open. Well, I think it was a web game I was trying to get to play. And I was like, yeah, we don't want to Chrome. It's like, back to download Mozilla. So yeah, we create a new variable. It's called vector3. Which is the what? Vector3. Get access to the mouse. And if it's less than 0, we move the rotation minus, and then transform rotate. X, we use the rotation, and then turn speed. That seems cool. Axis. Okay. We'll see how this goes. If it goes. Let's save it. Saved it. Why? Why are you not letting the camera dictate anything? Mouse. X. The mouse. Mouse. Oh. A mouse listen. Mouse device detected. Mouse button. Getting access. Yeah, that's fine. Linux. Yes. Bible. Mouse present. Then in here. Log. Nope. No. Console? Oh. What is it? What is that command? Log. Debug log, that's it. Debug dot log. Make something. Right. Present. Unity. And then 13. Really helpful. We just put that in. I need to put static in front of it. We'll try that. We'll try it. We'll see what happens. False. What is going on? Select if mouse present. Should be. Input. Oh. Wow. Yep. So then we just put mouse present. Present. Boom. Boo. Okay. So mouse is present. Definitely in there. So it's just the case of it's not taking this. D. Mouse. Temp position instead of moving. Instead of signing. Okay. Also, if you need it simply to aim, add to do a screen to roll to 20. Oh, I have to do a screen to roll translation to use my mouse for movement. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's simply just I just want to make eliminate that as a potential issue for starting to mess with the script. But now I know it's definitely true. I mean, it is a Windows PC, so it only will say true if there is a mouse connected. Only what he's saying is I don't need to have the if statements. Oh, but he's in the position, not the rotation. That's why. Let's see if they've got anything about move. We'll keep that one there. By this camera main screen to world point. I will have a look at that quickly. Transform position screen space into world space. We will log it. For me, that's just my mouse facing around my screen. You can determine the direction to go. Okay. I hope that was it. Tools, blah blah blah. Look at that. I just use the mouse input change rotation based on that. That's what this one was suggesting. Doing that. Could try that. Try this one first. Don't click on it. And then we'll have a look at yours, Dr. Arcus. The thing is, I understand what this one's doing. Or I understand the screen to a point. So I'd rather try stuff first. We'll give this a shot. So we don't want to do that. We don't do temp. What? That. I'm aim speed. If we want to turn speed. Okay. Get the axis of mouse X and Y. Move X and Y accordingly. Times it by 5. Why are we times it by 5? No idea. Get rid of this. Oh, this one. Might be sensitivity, but I don't know why they're not using. To use out time to get frame independent. Yeah, I don't know why they're using the 5. I'm gonna remove the 5. Back shot. No idea why they used it because I've never seen that used before. Oh, that's why. That would help. Turn in, okay. Fix. What? Oh, it's rotate. Not rotation, rotate. Nope. So it takes it's a method group. What then? Oh. You. There. For that. No idea what it's got. No, they would have added that. Like just so rotation X gets that. The rotation of oh wow, can't. Yep, that's not even. No, it does you. No, that's fine. I was about to say it's X and Y. Times the only tiny usually. True. You just put that in turns. Guys, figure it out. Figured it out. It's one of my mistakes. There's no turn speed. I was going to turn with no turn speed, guys. Let's try this out. See if this works. Oh, look at it. It works now. Ah, done, done, done. Tuning into this stream for the first time. That is a typical thing. This is why it's subpar. But I put the subpar on now because this happens. We start editing the script because we think it's wrong. And it's literally that. The script was right all along. This still works. It's still meant to work. Oh, help me. I've got problems. That's what this all comes down to, is I've got problems. Okay, we can put this all back in now. We can put the old script back in. I fully understood the old script, it wasn't working because some person just didn't understand what. I'm gonna put you back in. Just actually look like change. I know, just this stuff. So we can comment you, uncomment you. See what this does. See if this is any better. Oh, no, what? No, not what I wanted. Not what I wanted. Just want to move that way and that way. I want to move the X and Y. And it's Y. Don't move the camera with the entire thing. What do you mean? The camera is the player at the moment. Why you just make a camera? Because it's first person. Like, yeah, it's. We can put character or whatever in Unity. Move something in Unity 4, which would have been dumb. Oh no, I've still got Wikibody characters. I used Wikibody characters before. It's just done first person. Most of them tend to add it to camera. Oh yeah, there is an inbuilt camera controller, I believe. First person controller, but oh yeah. I can add collision to the camera, I believe. I can still add all those components to the camera. See? That all still works. All the components there. It's a case of limiting that. Oh. Okay. Move. X. Oh. What is happening here? Up, yeah. Bound? Five. That's the way around. This is X there, but apparently their dad doesn't diddly squat. Like this. Because I thought it would really. I just used it and it worked fine. Yeah, well, I don't want to use. Oh. Well, I don't want to just use default scripts. I don't want to throw default scripts. I'll figure it out myself. Learn. No point just copying over scripts. I mean, I know I'm copying over scripts now, but I'm learning what they mean. So we just take a whole script, just throw it in. No, I don't want to. Even know where that stuff is anyway. In here. Third person. Yep, stop spamming caps. You got all your rescues deleted. That's probably a bit too. I think it's a bit too mean on the caps. Spam protection. Excess caps options. Why is he too harsh? Cat, yeah, I know. It's like there's no point in just adding those different bits. Hello. Oh no, that's yeah, that's one. Yeah, I know the character control exists. Link perms, please. You got no need now. You got it. Yeah, no, I know the character control exists. I've never used it before. I don't see what's the point of using it. Let's throw that in. That's all stuff I do anyway. I'm figuring it out. I've got the movement. I've got the movement working. Oh, I didn't take the script. That's why. The movement working. Like I know all the elements. Movement working. I've got this working. I just need to figure out how to make it work better. And then it's a case of like in the mixer body. There's nothing the character control adds that I don't really have. Listens. Now that I deal with the wicked body, but it's I know how to do a wicked body, so I might as well just use a wicked body. So I might as well use a wicked body. I'm using stuff I've learned. I know how to use a wicked body, which is already built into Unity. So I'll use a wicked body instead of character controller. I've used wicked body before. Pretty much the same. Assuming. Component, yeah. I'll just read wicked body. So, call it. It doesn't help with this stuff anyway. Yeah, that's movement over collisions. Done. I can just add the wicked body to do collisions. It'll be easier to do wicked body because of the collisions. Yeah. I can turn off the like gravity and physics stuff like that. The stuff I can control. I've used wicked body before, so I know what I'm doing. Body. I don't want to. Gravity. Yeah, like it's simpler. I mean, I may switch character controller anyway, but like that's not something I'm worrying about at the moment. I haven't got anything I'm colliding with at the moment. I'm just working out how to get the movement and the rotation going. So please stop swearing about the character controller. I'd appreciate it. I appreciate you trying to help, but I'm doing a wicked body at the moment, and I'm using at the moment I'm doing this, not looking at collisions. But thank you. Okay. Why isn't this working? Right, it's working, but it's going weird. Oh yeah, it's definitely moving that, yeah. I'm not even onto that, either. So. Oh. Hi. Ah. What are you? That was fine then. That one. I can do this before you. That's what you're doing me to. I don't understand what is the issue with me not using the character control. I'm not even onto that yet. Either. Rip. That didn't work. Why? Why do you say what? God damn it. Why did that not work? Commands. Off it. Well, can't myself. Delete chat? No, I can't. Awkward. Why? What is wrong? Where's the commands? How do I do this? Integrations. Nope. Port form. Nope, not what I wanted. Help docs. I should learn this stuff beforehand, can't I? Commands. Nope. Command list. Commercial. No. Regulars. Nightbot. Commands. There's some modding stuff. As this, I don't discuss amounts, but the reason why is because he was just continually spamming me about doing one thing, explaining that I was this, and then there was I'm not going to talk about it. I'll move on onto this. There was a reason behind it. Yeah. Anyway, what is everyone else up to while I am trying to figure out why this isn't doing its stuff? What are you doing? You literally just... like this. Plus... that's working. Okay, so that's pretty much working now. It's just the... I freeze it on that. Dead? Yeah. Body. Dead. Why you still do it? What is going on here? There. There. Why are you turning around still? Pretty sure it's just a speech. Like I said, candidates got talking about in terms of punishments. There was a reasoning behind it. Not all messages come through on chat. Some go through an auto filter, which I then have to accept or deny. Yeah. And I'm not 100% else in here, and even then, it's still. Well, I tried to do it in a way where it didn't actually post a message, but for some reason, it did. Put that up. There you go. As you can talk now. I did not mean to do it for 600 seconds, but default 600 seconds. Why are you not working? I want to rotate that way. Basically what I'm trying to do. What, are you talking about the rotation? From what I could see with the character controller, it's just a movement, which I've already got working. Oh, that's not actually well working. That is... what I wanted to do. The thing is, I only saw it. Isn't that first-person controller a script you've copied and pasted from? It's like this is the script I'm working on at the moment. Default Unity script. See, the only issue I've got with it is I want to learn how to do bits, and there's obviously other bits I want to be able to add into it. You're not learning if you just take it. Like I understand what you're saying in terms of obviously I'm using a game engine, use the inbuilt elements. I'm using inbuilt elements in terms of all these components. Yeah, that's a load of stuff I have no idea what it does, which means like there's no way I'm gonna be able to use that in terms of other parts because there's so much stuff there that I don't understand what it does, like all of this. Step cycle, footstep audio. None of that makes any sense. I don't understand what that's saying. That's the thing, but from making a script from the ground up myself means I understand what I'm doing and what all the stuff I've used. If just copy something like this, it's touching on a load of things I haven't used before. That's my issue with it. I do understand one thing from it, which is we want to cube player. set that to default. B. This. Keyboard movement. I want to move. Hold up. Load. Movement. That. Follows. Aha, there. There we go. Great. Awesome. One thing I took from that. Probably put this on a same. There. I actually looked it up. Not what I wanted to do. Okay. Back. Move you back. What's the issue is that we're moving the Z, we don't want to move. Out. 8. Go. Gravity. How long have we been going for now? We have been going for an hour and 25 minutes. Holy mother smoke. We're still working on this. No, why? Why? Probably need gravity. Purely for to keep me on the. Well, we have to move, so I've got the movement down. Movement's working. Left and right. Get rid of this. Comment this. That's fine. I want this, I want these two to be independent. That's what it is. What if all of this script as the player control this part into the actual camera? Bring you back. Player. Player controller. Yep, fine, that's fine. You. This. Yeah. Here. Either Y. Moment we'll just test this part. Comment. Save. Nope. Spoilers. Excellent. Oh, that's why. Spoiler. Save. Boom. Awesome. That's working. X. Oh, X moves the player. And we would. X. Can, and we will. So we got the rotate equal. Oh, it's transform. Okay. Hey. Why? We want the player to move. POV camera. We got movement working. The camera dot. Well, that'll help. You're not working. There you go. Hide inherited member component camera. Oh, okay. Game component. That's what. Child. No, that's fine. Why are you hiding the camera? Enter. I guess I got camera hide inherited member component camera. Does child object get made as a component? Component. Why is he saying that? Hides. Inherited. Camera. Why? There's nothing for it to inherit from. Oh. That's what he has a member called camera. Ah, okay. Warning. Yeah. Be fine. That might be why it's not. Game. Camera. Transform. Krassentine has arrived with the one delivery driver. Thank you, Krassentine, for the host. I appreciate it and welcome. Stream. What up, what up, what up? I am doing good, thanks. How about yourself? I did not manage to catch your stream earlier today because I was out eating pizza and watching The Room, but how did it go? Oh, what am I pressing minus on? What do I wanted? I missed everything you said. Haha, very super grumpy for that 10 seconds straight. I was wondering because I didn't catch your stream earlier, and I was wondering what did you get done in your stream? So I was off eating pizza and watching The Room with a couple of friends. And how is baby doing? I know. When I think it was yesterday when I caught you, she was getting a bit abusive over there. Camera, no, transform, okay. Go for it. Unless I do. I just copy this. First person controller and uncomment all of this. Innovation forefront with his desire to forge new code. Oh, no. Maybe. You're gonna move it? Why's that? Turn speed, that's right. Oh, that would definitely... That would make a difference. Move you for the moment. Why is it always that? There we go. Okay, that's sorted. Now, this one, first person controller, I just need to add it to Y. Get rid of you. I did not add it to the script. POV. I got you, first person. Dang it, dang it. Wait. What is going on? Ah! I'm currently trying to get the camera to move where I want it to move, basically, and be able to look round, but only the X coordinates exchange the movement. Why? Why do you have to be so frustrating, camera? Oh. Oh, that would help. That would help a lot. You. Dear Constantine, how did the stream go earlier? If you are still there and the baby isn't still being grumpy. I'm currently working on a personal project, the detective game based on that sleuth. It's a sleuth. I'm currently working on first part of the prototype, which is firstly getting movement working. Ha! Yes. Sort of working in a weird way. Yeah, it's not smooth. Definitely not beautiful. Working. What I wanted to do. Okay, that's one part done. Sort of. What I'm trying to do at the moment is when you look left and right, that should affect where you're moving towards. When you look up and down, that shouldn't. You should be able to fly off or fly into the ground. Obviously I can sort it out with rigid body and gravity, but if I can also sort it out with the camera, that'd be even better. I mean, I'm making it makes. Let's try it. Let's try it. Console, scene. Sliding a quad, see if that solves it. Not a plane. I imagine a plane would help, but we're gonna go. Know what I'm doing with quads? Plane's the same. What are you doing, Colin? Try to bloody plane. Plane. 0, 0. Why are you flying in the air? And plane. 5. 5. Material. Create a new material. Create a new material. Color. That'll do. Plain. Nope. Bit darker than that. There you go, that'll do. Player. Physics. Rigid body. Player. Physics. Box collider. And I want you to have... Oh. This works. Then, let's see if I remove you. Don't open up on stream. No, don't open up on the mod where I've got my chat on. That's fine. Next part is first person. If we put you in. Now, what should happen is it shouldn't let me move up and down. Let me fly in the air, basically. No, instead it's gonna wobble. Good wobbling. Why? Turn you off. Not attached to anything, no. What's happening there then? I don't even know what's going wrong here. What are you? That's not even being called. That's fine. This is though. And it shouldn't. Oh, I know what it's doing. I know exactly what it's doing, because when I'm moving up and down, yeah, it's... Okay. Yeah, I know exactly what it's doing, actually, because when I'm looking up and down, when I'm changing that, that's fine. When I'm changing that, obviously the collision mesh hits the ground. And so it's obviously bumping me up and down, which is why it's doing that. Oh, God. Why? Not what I wanted at all. Not what I wanted at all. Sways it above. And how's gravity gonna work? Something's gonna be head. Head's gonna be floating. Yeah, like this. I don't want it to fall. So let's take off gravity. Take off the whole biggie body actually. Remove that. Remove it completely. No, I don't want to do that either. Don't want to be able to sink into the ground. Not what I was going for. I'll just go back to you. That open, yeah, that's fine. At the moment it's just not running smoothly, is basically what's happening. Good camera aiming. Avoid any issue with that. activity into fixed update. Let's see if that works. Update. Move the X. See if that solves the problem. Oh, because I didn't add it into. One day this will work. When that day will be, no idea. Then add the turn speed. There we go. Look down. That's probably as smooth as I'm gonna get it. That's fine. That will do for the moment, and I can work on this for like an hour and 47 minutes, literally just trying to get this working, and now it is. I'll say it's a success. Calling it a success. We can move. We can go into smoothing it out and making it better a whole lot later. Done. Comments. Not smooth, but that's polish. Works. Done. Did something. Things work. Now we're going to add crouching. When I press the control button, it literally just moves the camera down. So, play controller. Fix update. End update. Void update. Input. You out. Input manager. But dot get. There's true during the time if you press down. Button. True. And crouch. I want the shift key. Unity shift key. Shift. Yeah, key code or left shift. Okay. Yep, okay, that's cool. Key code or left shift. Oh, the second. There you go, you're happy now. You be happy. String. Yeah, what's one of you? Key down, key code or left shift. Oh, okay, key down, okay, button. Now better? There we go, that's better. Got it. We literally just do transform. Translate. Why translate? Listen. Oh, transform position. Dot Z. Minus 20. Cool. Increment or decrease. Equal. Minus equals. What are you trying to tell me? This is the transform in world space. Cannot modify the return value transform position because it's not variable. Okay. So we just want to do if you New vector 3. Crouch. New vector 3. Crouch. Zero. Fine. Oh. Whatever half he is. Crouch. But tight. Public. Int. Float. Int. Float chart. Boom. Equals. Out. Let's see what that does. Player calc type is currently at 10. Change it to half. Go to move, then only cut. Shift. No, I wanted it was meant to be control. Shift. I have no idea what you just did then. What did you just do to me? Player 5. What's on the Y? Z. Muppet. Right. 0. Done. Boom. 4. Please work. Please. Like how... There we go. Boom. But it doesn't let us go up. So we want to do get key down. And we don't want to set those to that. We want to set those to movement vector.x. Movement why? Because it's closed in that. Yeah, it is. Fine. Oh, it's broken everything. Broken absolutely everything. What have I done? Var. Oh, sorry, so var was altered in variable. As we saw some tutorials. Lucky it still declares type variable. It only works when you immediately assign a value to a variable. It only works for local variables C#. By methods and not for class. Okay. Okay, so it's just a local variable. That's why. That's why I can't use you. Let's do public float horizontal movement and public float vertical movement. Let's go boom, boom, work. Oh, and the movement vector would be vector 3. Now you let me use it? Why? Vector. Because it's in the class, not in there. So we will declare a public 3. Not public vector 3, a private vector 3. That's what I want. But still. Private. Don't need a view. Bar. There you go. X. Boom. And move vector y. Then actually. Nice work. So what I've done so far is move vector over there, because basically what I want to be is about to crouch but not set the x and y to 0. X and Z. And now when I crouch. No, it still does it. Why did it do that? Does it actually dip me down though? Yeah, it does dip me down. Still takes me back to 0. I'm moving more into the same area. That works. Probably making doing silly stuff here. And why are you setting me back? That's why I can't. That is why. Where's the movement vector in? The vector's not even being used. I don't even need it. So, public, not tool, float. Private, float. Vertical movement. The reason it wasn't working is because I wasn't actually using it, and so it wasn't adding anything towards it. Alright, now. No, it's still going back to 0. What's Sunlight do? That's what I tell you, move sun from a direction and distance. That's fine. Why not use that? X? Nope. Can I just... Callum can't even game dev. That will change. Whatever that's going with. Can we change back to var? You again. Once again. There we go. That's what I wanted. Let's shield back a little bit. Why is it still doing that? Oh, because the Y, Callum. Nope, no, what you wanted. Dead. This should work. Yep. Beautiful. And then if input dot get key up, code. Got left control. Crouch equals new vector 3 x 2 boom. No, we want it to change. We want it to change. So if press it down first time, it crouches. And if you let go of, and then you press it again, it should bring you back up. My phone. Got my phone somewhere. Oh, where's my phone gone? There it is. Oh. And how long are we going for now? 2 hours. My god. 2 hour stream. And we're still working on this. This is... I'm hoping I'll get faster at coding as I go. We just wanna... Press it down once. We're using away. Toggle. Button. Unity. There we go. Make a button behave like a toggle. Working with Unity UI when it's a problem. New skin sheet state the button. Button. No, not what I wanted. On and off. Unity. Okay. Okay, that's cool. If on off is not on off. Oh, it equals whatever the boolean isn't. Okay, that's cool. Sweet. So... don't need you anymore. Hide this up. Private, bool, crouch. Void start. Crouch. It was false. And then if done, crouch, not crouch. And crouch free. Let's quick crouch free. There you go. If crouch on this, else lost a few bits. Ooh, public int height float. Be a float. Crouch height, full height and crouch height. Excellent. Crouch toggle. Crouch toggle. Probably be best. I can just use crouch here. Do. Crouch toggle. Free. Crouch. Save, and then layer dot nope, not what I wanted. Transform dot position equals crouch. Where have I gone wrong? Ouch. Okay. Nope. What have I broken? What have I broken? I've broken something. And a bit there. Bit of. Let's copy this. Let's Control Z. I don't even know what I've deleted. Oh, no, I'm deleting a load of stuff. Back to where it was. Oh, it's stat, so go back. Da. Fix it all. Why is it not? There? Ah, no way. Create this first. We crouch. Then I just have to go here. Here. Then I can get rid of you. For you. Boom. Expecting something. Yep. Not that. There. There we go. It's Should be working now. Crouch should be working. I've got a crouch toggle. Got everyone left because it reduced viewers, but obviously Twitch viewer thing is dying, which is why I went a bit quiet and concentrating. Yeah, so what I've got doing at the moment is I've got the crouch toggle working, which is when you hit left control, it sets crouch toggle to the opposite of what crouch toggle is, and crouch toggle is by default set to false. So, and then if crouch toggle is true, it's height to the crouch height, otherwise change it to full height. Now, go in here, full height 10. And we should. Nope, nope, you're not gonna work. Ha! Fun. This way. Really different. Ah, there we go. Working. Toggle crouch. Move. Awesome. We got it working. Yeah, it's another thing we can drag over. Boom. I've got so many tabs open now that I don't even know what it is. There. Add crouching with first person camera. Done. Now it's evidence. Add placing tents next to evident. So with this, open up the comments. You click when you're looking at an evidence. Click on it, and it'll look closer at it. And then you can click another button with a right click to put a tent, or press T to put a tent. There you go with. First, we want to clean this up. Floor. Player POV. Let's get the camera. Change you to evidence. 5. 15. Let's scene view. Oh, 15. I'm moving the evidence, right? Yeah. Oh, it's a player that's up high. I was wondering why that was there then. And let's change the scale. 5. Tag it as a piece of evidence. And then we get to look at waycasts, which is a fun thing, I believe. There we go. So, look at waycasting. Loads, practically all its tabs. This bit working. Waycast. Unity. 6.waycast. True if the ray intersects with a collider, otherwise false. Cast away from point origin in direction of length max distance. Against all colliders in a scene. You provide a layer mask for any colliders you aren't interested in generating collisions with. So what I want to do is I'm going to send out a waycast. If the waycast hits object, I should be able to move closer towards it. We got you. Okay, so we can. Well, I need to fix update if it wants to update. Right. Okay. So, look at waycasts. Makes it back from wake. Slider and if and Waycast hit Waylon. Press button and the Waycast hit. I'll go from why is your viewport orthographic? It shouldn't be orthographic. Perspective. Things are going well. You should be getting. Yeah. Viewport, not your player camera. No idea what you're talking about. Scene view. Oh, scene view. Oh! Talking about that. I don't know what scene views. Don't know what you mean by the scene view. It's going fine. I've got the crouching done. Don't need to. Yeah. Tie this up. Moment. Oh, it's perspective, apparently. Was it? That perspective now. Well, I might have a perspective now. That might be it. There you go. I've just always worked in the other view. I didn't know there's differences. It's going alright. It's got two of the tasks done. Now the case of Waycast, looking at Waycasts. I've gone the complete opposite of how I was yesterday. Yesterday I was talking too much and a lot, but I feel today I've gone quiet for some reason. I'm concentrating, but I do need to talk a bit more. Definite. That's the whole point of streaming. Talk. Yeah, we don't go. Yes. Yes, fine. Fine. Why none of these green? Why not green? Oh no. I'm assuming it works, but don't like when it's not green. Oh, that's fine. No, that's fine. Yeah, I can. Oh, that works. If it still works. Oh. I've broken something. Delete. Yep, just delete it. And 5. Yeah, it's fine. I don't know what the issue is. No, fine. Safe scenes, let's be safe. Still annoyed that none of these are coloured. Close them down. Close these down. Back up again. concerns me that there's no colouring to it. There we go. Fine. Panics. Because I'm bad at cutting anyway, and don't want stuff breaking on me. So it's another way casting that we've done. So create a way from the transform position along the transform to Z axis. Is that what I want to do, Razor? I know you were talking to me about way casts. Well, I just want to basically do it against. What do we do? Transform Z axis? It'll be forward, wouldn't it? Where am I moving? I am moving. Do I just want to. Or do I just want the Razor to come from the. It's from where I'm clicking the cursor, isn't it? Start put and then pause the test between. Camera position. Okay. Yeah, because obviously when let's there. Yeah. There. Now position to object to time to test. So void update. I'm going to create a void evidence check. Neat. Way equal. Way. New way. Like that. And obviously, if I call the public game object, that so it would, when I obviously activate evidence check, it'll do it from the position of the camera forward. And if what we try to do is very fast. So basically, if I hit left click on the evidence check, and if it hits something tagged as evidence, zooming closer. And then it will allow me to do stuff like placing the evidence tent, picking it up, etc. input dot button mouse button. One. You want to get the camera's forward vector times by the distance you want to do. So am I looking at the wrong thing? Distance. Have you got a blueprint example? Yes, yeah, you can send it over. Tell me when you need me to permit you, and I will throw a permit your way. Probably actually make you a regular. Let's throw that in. Let's throw that in while we're doing it. Regulars. Should be able to just do it in here. Regulars, add, wait. Go. There you go. That means you should be able to post a link without me having to permit you. Let's hope it works. Otherwise you'll lose all your cat. That'd be awkward. Very awkward. One point I do need to head off. Okay, target. That actually doesn't help. I think it's because it's sorry that cough. Obviously it's blueprint, not code. I have no idea what it means. Player location, give forward vector. Starts camera location. Okay. Oh, it gets camera location, yep. Oh, and it ends. Oh, yeah, I can see now. I can see the line traced by camera. Yeah, the end is the... Yeah, I see where you go with. Hey, Teleport Gamers, welcome. How are you doing today? I am currently working on working on the prototype of the evidence collection system. At the moment, we've got a character that moves around and looks around. First person camera and crouch. Toggle going. We're now having it so that when I click, it sends a waycast, and if the object's in evidence, it lets me zoom in a little bit closer. I hope I didn't say that too fast. If I did say it too fast, just tell me to repeat myself. But yeah, how are you doing? Doing pretty good, and you got networking done on my game. Awesome. Awesome, yeah. I know you said you were working on multiplayer and having a few issues with that. Good to hear. And sweet dude, yeah. Making progress. It's taken me 2.5 hours to get to this point. I did make a typical me mistake where I had everything set up for the camera move, but it wasn't working. It wouldn't let me look anywhere, and it was because I hadn't gone and changed the turn speed. So it wasn't actually adding any speed to it. So yeah, that's what happened. We made one of those mistakes, those typical mistakes. We got it working now. I think we spent probably a good 20 minutes on that. It was like, so we had a script working. It's like, okay, why is this not working? We changed it to something else. Dr. Argus helped out. Don't know if he's still here. I think he might have headed off, but he helped us send another thing to try. But before I could go on to the third option, I realised I hadn't changed turn speed. Common mistake for me is just not attaching my script. Wasn't working. Oh, it's not actually. Yep. I mean, cause I always add it onto here. That's the way I do it. Then I never make that mistake. If I was to do it the other way though, that would probably be an issue. That probably would be an issue that I'd come across. But for me, it's like I add the script to do all the coding. I set up the public integers, and then I'm like, okay, let's go, let's play it. Nope, I actually need to set a value for them. That would help. Forward vector timed by the weeks, then the other location. Okay. It doesn't have that in it, so is it just raycast hit that I want to go for instead? Oh, okay. There you go. So where is the direction? Hit is the distance. Got it. Wait. Cast hit distance equals how they do it. Go out. This is waycast. Origin, max distance. I don't need the separate ones. Just do a physics the waycast. Waycast? I'll just be transform dot position. Dot position. Then transform forward. Oh. Is it done there? Oh, that's fine. Do need that. Anyway. No, what are you doing? To copy you, not paste whatever I copied before. No. Then that's the distance. Oh, new way. Yeah, that's what I'm going on. New way. Distance. And the end is a forward vector timed by the week. Okay. So let's think about this. So the moment I've got the guy standing up at, or girl, character standing up at 10. Fine. So let's say that's a typical person of 180 centimeters. Then we want their weeks going on the handers, and the hand is like half the body. Too much? Yeah, half the body. 5. 5. Is that what I'll be doing, Razor? Why are you not? Oh, it's because I haven't got way in front of it. Nope, that's not why it's not working. Why ain't you working? Fix away cast. Aim for when your arms are spread out and equaling your height, so half the height sounds about right for an arm. Okay. Thank you, Taylor 4 Gamers. What? Transform .position. Oh, POV.transform. Transform. That's saying max distance. I don't want it to be max distance. Now it's going to layer mask. Point origin. Wait, why? Okay, so it's working now. But forward times 5. Why is it not? Not convert from unique way to. Oh. Oh, it's property direction we use the first parameter. Oh, okay. No, it's origin and direction. Two more messages because Twix didn't send one. No worries. Thing is, when I go direction, so yeah, and then direction, transform forward. When I do it in here, is it because of where you hit? Pause. What it's saying here, that, but it won't let me put the direction there. It goes from origin to distance to layer mask. When I do this, let's go transform dot position. The next thing is max distance. Unless it's position. No. Yeah. Okay. Press up down arrow when timing the fight, you can see. Obviously in direction, hit info, max. So transform. Position. Origin. Now the direction. That's why it seems to have forward. Times. Go in there. This is just a float. Oh, okay. That'll be why. We'll see. All of this to try and get Waycast working. That. So, I guess, why am I doing this? My inputs. Input. Mouse 1. And Waycast 6. Cast. POV.transform. Position. Transform. Forward. F. On the first Brigade card is always a bit awkward to learn because it can take so many different parameters. Yeah. Yep, that's definitely true. So if that, then it wants that. Then if Waycast hit. F, yeah, it is, yeah. test what it collides with. Test what Waycast it. So, what is physics.waycast first? Doing the right thing now. Waycast is true. Oh, it's a cool. Okay. If and if Waycast it dot equals what? Tag pair let's no, not working. If it is Waycast okay, so you need a Waycast hit before you Waycast, okay. So wait. Out. There. You know what? Why you no do this? Why Unity? I know exactly. Why did wait out here? Yeah. It clearly says it there. Clearly says it there. What happens if I just put you here? But you can start. Fix yourself. Declared but never used. No, pretty much our previous message to the switch the order patterns we're using out here. I think distance is 4' and an out hit to be third. Okay. Out. Hit. Yeah, here it is. Why do they have to change stuff? Why can't they just leave well enough unknown? Yep, works now. Why Unity? Why? So I got the hit. And then I'm assuming do more of this. dot slider compare tag. There you go. Evidence. Thank you. Killed something. Well, I killed. Yeah. Firstly, let's debug it. Let's just debug it. On debug log? What if I've broken? Try this debug log. Means fix variable structure if you want to compare things. Variable, yeah, the collider. Tag evidence. I mean, allow me to put it in. That's how Callum determines if things work in this game. Debug. How many? Raycast hit compare tag. We'll see. That's exactly what you do. Hit everybody, compare tag. Oh, that's really. Obviously, if it's that far away. What was I trying to do? Debug log. That's what I was trying to do. Debug. Log. Right. Oh, oh wow, it's capital. Here's a piece of evidence. Yay. So, summarize, after my silence, is if I hit the left button and the physics raycast, yeah, physics raycast hits something, and it's got the evidence attached to it, should be fine. So, that's realised. Issue. Else, you're blind. Yeah. I'm looking at a piece of evidence, but it still runs the rest of the code. One thing I didn't do is put you in there. That would help. So, not one in the code. Basically, it's not one in the code at all. Also, that's not actually connected to a rigid body, but that's besides the point. Do I just put null? Null. Yep, if it wiggly null, yeah. If it dot null. Nelson, change it to an else. Calm down. And let's make sure. Yeah, it's not sending anything at the moment. I mean, something's not working here. You're like log. We're clicking the button. I'm clicking the right button first. Or at least that part's working. Yep, you're clicking the button. It's that. Or this. I just realised what. Yeah, I just realised. That should be. Else. Debug log. Nothing. Still nothing. Change the layer crouch. Boy. That helps. Nothing. Something to do with this part of the code. Just get transformed. That was just aiming out forward. Because I'm not sending out away. So that's creates away. Away casting. Oh no, it casts away. Yeah. We'll collide it in the scene. Really? No. Bit here. Bug log. Hit something. That. See if it's a collider tag. Nope, it's not getting past first. Thing. Origin, direction, outcast, out hit, distance. Right, go V there. Let's make sure it should be Z. So that way. Yeah, it's dead. Ah. Spider. Fine. Resistant. Canvas. Oh no. I forget what it is. Because the camera only controls the X, but the player controls the Y. So it's only looking for the if it's only looking for the player thing, it can only be like that. So this now is a good time as any to introduce the debug doorway. It's similar to Waycast for debugging. It's like you see a way in the scene. Oh, okay. So do I just put debug way? Forward. And if I put you, yeah, moment. Left click. Okay. Yeah, I've got it in a little bit there. At us. Seems to be doing anything at the moment. Like. Nothing. Okay. I see it there. Yeah, it's not doing that. Okay, let's give it a V. There you go. I'm not select console ones. Yay, I hit a piece of evidence. Biggest, very specific. That's what I hit. So wait. Is there a way I can make it wider, basically? I don't want it to always be. Okay. Play. Change the colour of that. Yeah, it's fine, the colour. See. Because obviously the mouse. But it's not set to an instance. Oh, that's fine. Okay. It does have a game. It does have a big body. Yeah. Attack. Oh, give me one. It won't let me. Collider. Attack. Collider. Oh, okay. Oh yeah. Attack. Evidence. Ah. True. I did give evidence wicked body. I don't have a wicked body, I don't think, but the evidence does. Nothing. Oh no! Don't collect the console. Stop it. Yeah, it's gonna be a pain in the ass. I mean, I've started to make progress. I'm going for 3 hours now. Bloody hell. That. Where's my? Waycasts. Oh, okay. Work. I have to look at a specific station. Maybe useful. It's maybe useful. And more waycasts. Okay. No solution. I think we might actually leave it here. Going 3 hours. It's a lot longer than I expected. Well, I was hoping to finish about 8. It's now like nearly 10. But thank you, Telephone Gamers, for your help, and everyone else for your help in getting this all done and helping me learn how about waycasts and drawing the waycasts. That's really helpful. Thank you, Telephone Gamers, for that. Thank you for the host as well. And I think my voice is dying. I think my voice has gone different. Oh well, it's fine. I will be back tomorrow, probably around the same time, between 6 and 8, for a good 2 hours, maybe more. And the plan will be then to finish off this and hopefully start doing the picking up and photographing too. I can speak. But for now, we're going to go for a host. Not enough people for a raid. It was so we're just gonna fly over host and go over there and say hello. And that's just the best way to go about it because not enough people for a raid. So we're small, and yeah. So see you, Teleport Gamers. Thank you for tuning in, and thank you for everyone else for tuning in. Time to go find who we're gonna fly over the host to. He's actually streaming. I think we're going to go over to another British person. We are going to throw over to Mr. Windybeard because he is a great guy, and he is currently working on a game called Dreamstones. He's currently doing the art. It looks an absolutely beautiful game, and he's been working on it since the beginning of the year, and he's making amazing progress. Recently, he's been working on a robot today. It's sweet. So we're going to throw the host to there. Thank you once again, and I will see you tomorrow. And yes, Teleport Gamers, Brit's the best. Always the best. See you tomorrow. Windybeard. Oh, what happened there? Oh, no, that's why. Awkward. I can do it. There we go.
So I'm thinking. It's like it's made of stone almost, you know.
Second firework.
Actually, no, we don't want to do that because we're going to make its mouth open.
How's it going?
So let's bring it sound like that a little bit. There we go. Hey, Keith. Keith, how's it going, my friend? Saw your vid, man. That's nuts. That's nuts. Hey, Creative, how's it going, man? Welcome back, dude. Hey, Viking. What's going on, pal? So it's quite a simple creature, really. It's complicated. Nothing complicated. But we need to do the rocks down here that open up when it comes through the ground. So, and this is so that I can put it on both lava and normal ground, you know. Just finished streaming. What you're working on at the moment? Okay, so I was working on the third boss earlier, but because it's quite late at night, I get quite shit at programming.
Sniper character. Don't know why the.
What I'm working on now is just sketching out some new enemies. So I've got designed 4 creatures for the 4th world. We've already got this turtle pretty much done and animated. So I'm designing this creature here. What it does is it's invisible and then it pops out of the ground, shoots at you and then pops back in.